In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apify to n8n for web scraping. We'll explore how to utilize the Apify node in n8n to make your web scraping process efficient and seamless. Whether you're working on n8n Cloud or a self-hosted version, integrating these tools will empower your automation workflow. To begin, let's talk about installing the Apify node. If you're using n8n Cloud, the process is straightforward. Simply open your nodes panel, search for Apify, and click to install it. For those on a self-hosted platform, you might need to manually install it, as it could be a community-developed node. This step ensures the node is ready for you to use in automation. Once you have the Apify node installed, it's time to create a new workflow in n8n. Start by adding a trigger node to initiate the process. You have options such as manual trigger, schedule, or even webhook, depending on how you wish to trigger the scraping process. The choice of trigger sets up how and when your workflow begins its operation. Next, add the Apify node to your workflow by searching for it again in the Nodes panel. Once it's added, you need to select the appropriate resource, like Actor, and then choose the operation, such as Run an Actor. This tells n8n what you want to accomplish with Apify, aligning your workflow with specific tasks on the Apify platform. Configuring Apify credentials is your next step. In the Apify Nodes Credentials drop-down menu, select the option to add new credentials. This is where you will input your Apify API token, which can be retrieved from your Apify console. This credential setup is crucial, as it allows n8n to authenticate and interact with your Apify account securely. Moving forward, you need to configure the actor details. Choose the specific Apify actor that you want to run. You can select either from your recently used actors, or by providing the actor URL directly from your Apify console. Ensure that the URL you provide includes /actors/ to specify the correct endpoint for the actor. If your actor requires specific input, now is the time to provide it. Switch the input method to JSON expression, which allows you to paste an example JSON input from the Actors Input tab in Apify. You can dynamically fill in the JSON fields using n8n expressions, incorporating data output from previous steps in your workflow for a more customized approach. Finally, execute the Apify node. This action will run the Apify actor, and the output you receive contains details about this run, including the default dataset ID. At this point, you can expand your workflow further by adding additional nodes. Consider incorporating an HTTP request node to fetch dataset items or a split-out node to process the scraped data effectively. And that's how you connect Apify to n8n for web scraping. Follow these steps closely and you'll seamlessly integrate web scraping into your automated workflows.